I was not expecting this package, and actually I do not know what's in it. I looked at my Amazon orders and there's nothing coming in. So let's see what someone sent us. I literally have no idea. Oh, this is excellent. This is the Crystal Water Monitor, and it's sponsored. Obviously, this video is now sponsored by crystalwatermonitor.com. The people at Crystal Water Monitor was kind enough to send this out to me because of my pool videos, and to actually use this. Now, what the Crystal Water Monitor does is it monitors your pool water, I think once a minute, 24 hours a day, and reports back to an app on your phone through Wi-Fi. This is on Wi-Fi, and it will actually tell you, hey, add 4 ounces of chlorine, or 6 ounces of shock, or a pound of pH lower, stuff like that. It monitors everything. So this is pretty cool. Very, very cool. I want to thank the people at Crystal Water Monitor for sending this out. So let's see what we have in the box. If I can figure out how to open the box. Oh, there we go. This is what you're going to see in the packaging. Crystal Water Monitor. And their website is crystalwatermonitor.com. You're going to download your app. It says, what's in the box? There's a monitor, a sensor, 3 AA batteries, test strips, mounting plate, mounting tape, pipe adapter, and zip ties. Well, I don't know how this is going to get installed and all that stuff, but one thing it says, do not allow the sensor to freeze. Well, that would be common sense, in my opinion. But this is the actual sensor. There's some kind of a mounting plate here. Now, I know this, I know this is going to sit on the side of the pool, and the sensors are going to go down into the water. So there must be some kind of adhesive mounting plate that's going to attach to the patio, and that's okay with me. And it looks like it goes in here, like maybe you put this on there and twist it. I'm not really sure, but it's weatherproof. So that's one thing in the box. And we've got some test strips. We've got the probe. This must be the test probe that screws into the water sensor. Now, I'm not going to set this up until I actually go through all the directions and understand what I'm doing. I'm not just going to plug it in and say have a nice day, because I don't want to ruin something. I just want to take it out of the bubble wrap. We could all see what it is. There it is. It says, remove cap before use. Okay? So that's in there. Remove cap before use. We can certainly do that. Replace one out of water. Okay? We'll figure that all out. But that's going to, this end of here is going to screw into the probe. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is going to attach to the end of the probe right there. Or the probe is going to attach to the end of the monitor. So that's the probe. This is the monitor. This is your mounting plates. Three AA batteries. A couple of tie strips. Adhesive. Not sure what the adhesive is for or how it goes. Oh, I'm not sure. Not sure exactly, but we'll take this all out and we'll figure it out, all right? But as far as what's in the box, that is what's in the box. So I want to thank the people, sincerely, at crystalpoolmonitor.com for sending this out so we can put it in the water. Now, what I'm expecting out of this, and I'm sure I'll get it, is I'll be able to tell at a moment's notice when my pool water starts to go a little off, and I can address it right away. You know, basic things like pH lower, pH rise, alkalinity plus, alkalinity minus, more chlorine, less chlorine. All those things are going to be monitored. And there's going to be a whole bunch more is going to be monitored than that. But I will get the app installed on the phone. I will certainly walk you through getting this set up, okay? And I'm really looking forward to using this. And again, thanks to the people at Crystal Water Monitor, this is probably going to be the most cool thing that I've probably ever put in my pool, because what is better than knowing what your water is doing and how to address it immediately, rather than have something go crazy on you and you wake up the next morning and it's cloudy and you can't see the bottom anymore, which I'm sure has happened to people before. But Crystal Water Monitor, thank you. Great unboxing video. Really looking forward to seeing how this is going to shake out this year. And I will be giving you regular updates over the course of the summer as far as how this works. Thanks again. Hope you all have a great day. And let's get to some great pool weather, because up here in the Northeast, it hasn't been good. My pool water is cold. Right now it's 71 degrees. It's almost June. And unfortunately, my heater is too small. So I do have a new heater install coming up. I want you to stay tuned for that. But this is really interesting. This looks pretty cool. Really looking forward to seeing how this is going to work. Thanks again. You all have a great summer.